extend a warm welcome to all the Institute graduates of MD322. Hello everybody. Do you know that we start planning our RLLI every year as soon as we complete one? Our faculties are all FDI graduates and some also LCIP certified. Our PIDs, AP Singh and Sangeeta Jatia, are very popular in worldwide training programs. They spend a lot of mind power for this program every year to take it forward and to make it even better than the previous year. We regularly hold faculty brainstorming sessions. Faculties travel to the venue one day in advance, setting up classrooms, outdoor games, presentations, etc. They wake up a good 2 hours earlier than the participants and retire after all participants have called it a day. Every evening, they do debrief and get ready for the next day. Each year, only 5 line leaders are selected from one district. Many more wanted, but could not. You all were very special. You became RLLI grad. Now, how was your venue and the food? Both were superb, weren't they? The pre-assignments helped you come to the RLLI mentally prepared and excited for the group activities and the entertaining quiz programs. Every morning we had leadership skill building games. T-shirts are provided to the participants. You all looked so colorful playing the games in the lush green fields. Even there, we maintained strict punctuality and attendance in each session, which I believe you also admired, haven't you?
You have to pick up the balls, say in your pipe, and this is called pipe delivery.
There was lots of fun too. During those field games, during the Antakshari and presentations of the group skits, all participants and all faculties became bonded. It is this togetherness that has been with us all over the past years. And we had all this enjoyment without any alcohol. Each RLLI group bonds and stays in touch through social media. Each one of you was placed in a mentor group with a faculty as your mentor. Every morning after games, your mentor group had breakfast together where further bonding developed. You interacted within your peer group. The RLLI, we believe, is a stepping stone for you to move ahead in your Lions career. Thank you.
Hello Lions, welcome to the Institute Graduate Conclave 2020 of MD322. We have this conclave every year aligned with our multiple convention just to have feedback from you participants, and on the basis of these feedbacks we try to add more value to our forthcoming, our future institutes. So without wasting much of your time, let's start with our first question. I request my colleague coordinator, past district governor Sudipta Mukherjee, to please take over.
Based on your learnings in the RLLI, can you share something which has consciously changed your Lions and personal life? As graduate of the institute, what advice would you give freshers in terms of expectations and preparations while going to the institute?
I will share my experience based on RLLI, which have consciously changed both my Lions and personal front. RLLI has been a great platform for networking and learning. But one important learning that has immensely affected me and changed my life is adaptability and teamwork skills. We have all heard of saying, alone I can do little, but together we can work more. This is perfectly apt and great learning. In RLLI, every time we had different students in our group. Roommate was unknown and from different districts, while in the classroom, different students were put as groups. Again, in the activity area, the group were changed and we have different friends at every stage. And each task, the group with maximum coordination was able to complete. So the greatest learning was the new people learning coordination and finishing the task. Teamwork brings confidence. Teamwork brings ideas on the table. Teamwork develops trust among the members. Teamwork brings sense of ownership towards the project. Above all, teamwork saves time. It increases bonding, friendship. It helps in focusing to complete the project rather than finding faults with each other. So we are able to complete the task in time and thereby wins. As they say, teamwork makes teamwork, and this skill is required at all the places to lead a club, to lead a organization, to manage homes, to manage families. Everything requires flexibility, adaptability, and teamwork. So for me, adaptability and teamwork was the greatest learning, and which changes not only my Lions life, even my personal life.
Very good, Manisha. We appreciate. Next,
Thank you.
Hima brother.
Yeah, very much agreeing with what my co-participant Lion Manisha Agarwal said, because we were together in the RLLI last that was held in Mayfair, Gopalpur and Bay. Now, the wonderful thing that I want to express in this platform is that uh, like there are vertical growths that everybody wishes and have it in their own life. But what about the horizontal growth? The moment I went into the RLLI, the full paradigm, the scenario changed. Look at our multiple, such a huge geographical area, and people coming from the entire multiple meeting there, exchanging ideas. So what really changed in me and what I found truly is that there is a sense of conviction that yes, I'm in the right place doing the right thing. And there is an assurance looking at all my fellow lions doing great service, learning from them that this is the platform or this is the place where we grow, not I alone, but we grow and we serve. Because when we meet so many people and see them working, then we know that there is so much to be learned yet more. That what I know is just a minuscule and there are so many ways to learn. I'll add to that the cumulative way of doing things. Because once we are in a team, the team makes the progress, not the individual in the team. But when the team makes the progress, the whole individual, everybody moves forward. So personally in my life, I have taken it as a principle that grow horizontally as much as you would like to grow vertically, it will be automatic process. And take the spirit of team building. And I would go further and say that through RLLI, this great movement of Lionism is reborn every year in us. There is a rebirth of the movement. There's a ignition of the spirit of Lionism, and we find ourselves in a motivated state to serve and work much better. I think that is my personal take as I make myself more applicable in the field of Lionic service.
Very well said, Hima brother. But any particular thing you would like to pinpoint at this point?
Yes. So the best part is this, that when there are aspects like problem solving, there comes a time when someone might be, or maybe I want to do it in my way, but problem solving for a team is not a unitary, a personal challenge. It's a team's challenge. And for a club or for an organization for that matter, problem solving should be a all inclusive process, and that gives the best result. We have had many games where there were problems, And in those games, ideas when came from everybody, the result was more interesting and more easy than going by anyone's particular solution. So I would say that problem solving is one area that I would take from RLLI and apply it to personal life as well as in our administrative and clubs and our linistic matters.
Very well said, Hemabrata. I'm sure all those who are seeing this will encourage by.
Thank you so much.
And now I request Ripudaman to please come forward and share your thoughts.
After having completed the course at RLLI, it consciously impacted me, and as I was a whole new lion in every sense of the term. I was more confident, I was more informed, had a better understanding and in-depth concept of Lionism as a whole. I knew how to tackle any given situation, learned how to improve the image of Lionism in the club, district and international level. It was indeed a whole new ball game for me, and it made me feel that there was a brand new lion ready to go, as I had learned new ways of how to handle new projects, new assignments, and how to go about helping the needy at any given point of time, and further the image of our motto, we serve. It also helped me to become a more humane and a strong lion in body, mind, and spirit, all ready to take Lionism to a whole new platform of services and redress the sufferings of our less fortunate brethren, irrespective of their color, caste, and creed, and thereby make our world a better place to live. Another very important aspect is that when you really know about the nuances of any particular problem, you are in a better state of mind to handle that given situation in the best possible manner. The Institute also further taught me to be one in unison, take the right management decisions, timely actions, involvement of each participant in all the activities, and a complete sense of total collectiveness and bonding, like you were one in all as a team. A very noble experience and a very memorable one, which cannot be expressed in mere words. My personal life was also very much influenced after my training at the Institute, so much so that time management has become a part of my daily routine. Service above self, to be always ready to give a helping hand to the needy, and to try to bring a smile and happiness to my family and to all persons whom I acquaint with, and be able to live up to our motto, we serve. Long live Lionism, and thank you.
Hello Lion friends. RLLI Institute was a very helpful learning event and brought a lot of changes in our leadership qualities. We had stayed in one of the best resorts by the sea. We Lions had assembled there and were all from different parts of Eastern India and of all different professions. But all of us were present for the Institute with high human values and ethics in social life. We had played there a number of team games in 4 to 5 groups comprising of 10 members each with one group mentor who would assist us all of our group activities. We learned teamwork and learn early to bed, early to rise. It will help all of us to be healthy, wealthy and wise. Not only in Lionism, in my social and personal activities, brought in lot of changes after this institute. I had learned to plan out my future activities and my professional work, and I used to note it down and execute the same in right time. It has also taught me to discuss our day-to-day plan with the work, the programs with my subordinates so that things are properly executed. This is the most important lesson I have learned from the institute.
Do you think your goals, expectation while going to the institute align with the outcome? Also, please tell us your spontaneous response on online version of the future RLLI.
I am Lion C.A. Naveen Kumar Lat, member of Lions Club of Bargarh, District 322 C2, a participant of RLLI in the year 2019. In the beginning, while going to the institute, I had not set any specific goal or expectation from the institute. All I wanted for myself was to see a changed, better person, may it be personally or professionally. The learning in the institute gave us manifold expertise in different fields like meeting management, communication essentials, confidence building, goal setting, membership and marketing, personal management, etc. Overall, I experienced that RLLI is a good platform for upcoming leaders to learn, share, upgrade, and be fit to serve the society at large. As rightly said, no book can teach us what life can. So keeping that in mind, I would like to suggest adding one session based on real life stories of successful persons, preferably Lions, and one session based on successful service projects of different Lions Club in RLLI curriculum. The above addition in curriculum will have a greater impact on learning and motivate the trainee in a better way. Participant would be provided with materials for future reference, maybe in soft copy. Thank you.
Thank you, Naveen ji. We're really happy to learn your views. Now, Ravi bhai, your observation.
Namaskar. Myself, Ravikant Bhoot, member, Lions Club of Chaivasa, District 322A, a RLLI graduate in year 2019. In this point, I would like to start with a poem. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are, up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. The whole RLLI learning was based on this point. Before going to RLLI, we were just like a child named Ishan of movie Tare Zameen Par. कुछ भी नहीं पता था. Our skills have been developed there like a mother teaches her child. सर मालूम तो है उस मूवी का एक गाना, माँ तुझे सब है पता है ना माँ. हमारे फैकल्टीज और फैकल्टीज विल ट्रीट लाइक अस ए चाइल्ड. कब डांटना है, कब समझाना है, कब उसको खेलने के लिए समय देना, एवरीथिंग वाज देयर. कभी भी नहीं सोचा था सर. Not only from the faculties, we have learned, we have also interacted and worked as part of several work groups and teams consisting of men and women from different parts of Eastern India. The experience at RLLI, where we work closely with people from a range of dedicated Lions to serve the society. Just because of RLLI, today we are in a platform, digital platform, and interacting with AP sir and Sangeeta ma'am and all other faculty. This is just because of RLLI. Post RLLI, after coming from RLLI, we have developed a team consisting of 4 people in our club and started career counseling seminars and motivational seminars in different schools and colleges. After that, till related, we have covered 60 schools and colleges covering more than 14,000 students. And nowadays we are poured with such demand to come at their schools. This is just because of our RLLI. And I would like to include one suggestion. The former RLLI students should be given chance again after 2 or 3 years to develop more skills and more interaction with the all. Thank you.
Thank you, Ravi bhai. So you are not giving any suggestion for the curriculum to be added. You want RLLI participants to re-invite again for the RLLI. Thank you very much. Now, Jubilee, it's over to you.
I agree with the opinion of my previous speakers. And in addition to, I would like to add some points regarding the RLLI curriculum. In my opinion, I add one points that in my opinion, RLLI sessions, there must be one topic in connection with the LCIF grant, because many clubs do not know how to achieve the LCIF grant. In spite of that, they are having insufficient infrastructure. And number 2, during this present situation, it is very important for the members of the Lions, they involve themselves for the virtual meetings and seminars. And number 3, in my opinion, there should be increase the number of the participants in RLLI sessions, at least 10, not 5. Or RLI session should be twice in a year. And last one is RLI participants should keep in touch with the multiple leaders, JLD coordinators, and give them feedback after 3 months. That's all my suggestions.
Thank you, Jubilee. Thank you very much. Subhasisda, now it's over to you.
One of my major objectives was gaining an experience of working together with a diverse crowd. And मेरा only suggestions है और कुछ नहीं. जो कुछ हम लोग सीखा है तब तो ठीक है. हम लोग क्या करते हैं आपको तो मालूम है. लेकिन हमको वह बोलने नहीं चाहिए. हमने ये किया, वो किया. I have done so much things, nothing doing. Only suggestions. I am having 3 suggestions, including ice-breaking sessions between the students and faculties that would clear the air of awkwardness between both and develop a mutual and fun learning relationship without any biases and inconvenience. This will enable a comfortable learning environment without any kind of peer pressure or differential treatment. Number 2, a small sightseeing program can be included in the training schedule. Wherever we are going to Gopalpur, there must be some sightseeing. If we are going to Kathmandu, there must be a sightseeing. If we are going to Bhubaneswar, there must be a sightseeing. Without sightseeing, nothing is only class, nothing doing. Sir, a small sightseeing program can be included in the training schedule that can help in increasing the interaction between the fellow students and our beloved faculties. And connections can be formed easily in a different environment other than classes only. Finally, classes immediately after lunch becomes quite difficult to concentrate on. A small refresher activity can be included to prevent sleepiness, fatigue post-lunch. That's all.
Thank you, Subhasisda.
Based on your learnings in the RLLI, can you share something which has consciously changed your lives and personal life? As graduate of the Institute, what advice would you give freshers in terms of expectations and preparations while going to the Institute?
Basically, as far as the expectation is concerned, you can have whatever expectations one can have from a leadership training institute. You can have that expectation. You can have an expectation if you join any of the MBA course in world's best university to become a skillful administrator. You can have that expectation. You want to be a good human being, you can have that expectation. You want to make friends forever, you can have that expectation. And the best expectation which you can ever have is self-evaluate yourself. What you are, where you are in comparison with your colleagues in this fraternity, and what are the hidden talents which you have, which you can explore by being with your friends in this institute. These are the bare basic expectations one can have from RLLI.
Thank you. Very well said.
My advice to freshers is that before going to institute, they should have complete information about the activities of Lions Club International. Maintain full concentration in class. Know how our club, multiple international office works. The online institute will not benefit because there will be not concentration of both the participant and the faculty is doing the course from home.
Biswajit.
To enhance our leadership skill, we have to go through some learning process. RLLI is one of them. This RLLI, we have to attend in open mind and without any pre-assumption. Before attending this institute, we have to know something about our learnism, such as our international constitution bylaws and our LCI and LCIA policies, our standard club constitution bylaws, and our membership resources, our this we have, and our JCRC manuals. We have to read this all before attending that institute.
What would be your spontaneous response to the next version of RLLI being online?
Well, when it will be online, we can reach to more people, more participants can participate, and that is the great thing which will happen. But I think the personal touch in the morning, those games, those exciting friendship which we inculcate, we have the night games which we have, one unknown person sharing that particular room, those will be missing. But the advantage will be, well, many fraternity, many faculty which we could not have got on a single day or that particular, but we can have an international faculty coming to us. Those will be the advantage. But I think online will be a different ballgame altogether. But still, I think the biggest advantage will be more people whom we can interact being at home.
So my next question is, share funny or embarrassing moments during the institute, and also tell us how the institute acquaintance grown into great friendship.
Hi friends, I am Lion Amit Sharma from District 322B1. RLLI has fond memories and has added value to my life in terms of learning and people. One incident that I recollect still makes me laugh. When I reached to Gopalpur to attend the RLLI, I met to a person with a smile and macho man with some tattoo and all, and he was my roommate. One late evening, as I entered in my room post dinner, I got busy with my cell phone and he tried to got some sleep. So I was just busy with my phone on and off and fiddling with some music and lost in some sweet music with Kishore Kumar and all. And suddenly I see he woke up and rushed to the washroom. I smiled and asked him, "Why, boss, you woke up so early?" He told me with a smile, "Sir, if you don't mind, can we sleep for an hour? Then we have to move for the meeting." So I just see the watch and find it is a 5 a.m. in the morning. So it was a very, very embarrassing moment for me. I was so sorry, and I feel very sorry. Because of my stupidity, he did not sleep a whole night. In the morning, we went to the meeting, and I just saw because he was very uncomfortable because he did not sleep at night, and he left the meeting in between and back to the room. I finished my meeting and back to the room. I just saw he was taking the power nap. So realizing your mistake is a great, but if you don't rectify it, it is a waste. So this time I decided I will not disturb him at any cost and allow him for the sound sleep. Later we went for the another session where I apologized and we laughed together, and now he happened to be my very good friend. As an acquaintance turned into a great friend. This is he is none other than Rohit Verma from Sasaram. So friends, this is a very, very embarrassing moment and memorable situation and memory of RLLI, and even today make me laugh when I recollect the incident. I strongly believe that the friends are chosen family. Thank you.
Thank you, Amit. We really learn from our embarrassing moments. This is the way we correct ourselves, but it was very funny. Rajinder ji, over to you.
In fact, I must say that none of the moment was embarrassing to me, because each moment was fun-filled and had a great fun, right from the start to the end. Though our coordinator had organized in such a way it was jam-packed, but we were not stressed, right from 6 a.m. in the morning and at the late evening, and after that interactive session among the members, and for the practice session we had to interact amongst us, and we get to go together, and it was almost mid of the night, but we never had any stress. It was such a fun moment that I had experienced in RLLI. It was a great adventure too. One funny moment I remember is that a play was given to us to act on, and we tried our own script, and ultimately we ended up coordinating each one of them, and we scripted a talent show. and it was a big fun. And I was given to name the characters. And one stout fellow, Krishnan Singh, I said, you are from the land of Maricom. So I said Suji Court, and it became a big fun. So like Dr. Prabha Rani, we named her Parvati Khan. So still now we address each other with the same name, and we have a great fun. So it was such a funny moment, and we laughed a lot, and yet those memories bring smiles to us. RLLI has been a great adventure to us. And about the friendship, I must say that it has brought a great acquaintance to me. Now I'm connected to each of the cities in our MD. I feel I'm everywhere present, just a phone away. Most of the numbers are saved in my mobile, and every day we get updates from them. We innovate ourselves, and it brings the experience that I'm getting it from that upgrades me, upskills me. It is such a wonderful experience to me. RLLI is a great experience. Thank you.
Thank you, Lion Garg. So you enjoyed your talent show the most.
Yes, sir.
Now it's over to Lion Amit Banerjee. Your views.
Actually, sir, every moment of the institute is unforgettable in my whole life. But the funny moment I experienced in the talent show program, our group decided to play a short funny drama. Every one of our group was ready to participate in that except myself. On God, I never take any act, any play, participate in whole life. And all the members are laughing at me, joying at me, and they create an amusing atmosphere. And I bound to take part in that. And that is the funny moment which I never forgot in my whole life. And as per the friendship, at first I think that only 4 members from our district is our close friends, and we mixed with each other. But when I reached RLLI, all things changed rapidly, and all the members of the RLLI became my friend because of the rotation system of the RLLI Institute, in the seating arrangement, in the playing in the indoor game, outdoor game, or in the quiz competition. All this, it makes a great friendship with one another, and it became filled with us, with all the members we contact every day through the WhatsApp. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Dada. So you have 60 good new friends with you whom you are connecting on an everyday basis. Thank you very much. Now, Rishabh, over to you.
Yeah, I am Rishabh Lodha from District 322G. One such funny, embarrassing experience during my institute, which I want to recollect, was, among them, I would like to share one such incident. It was an act to play a drama that was of our own choice, that we all had to do in a group. And we choose the topic 100 Years of Lionism. Though it was a serious act, but the act came out very funny in the end. Some of the group members played the role of international director. Even they played some role of international president. Some played even role of Helen Keller. Some played role of PIP Nareshji, PID APG, Sangeetaji, Bajoriaji, Horaji. And I was chosen to play the role of Melvin Jones. And it was a very, very challenging role for me. But we showcased throughout our journey of 100 years of Lionism, and every member played the role of character assigned to them in a very, very funny manner. The kind of get-up that they all tried to copy the original voice of the character, and it looked very funny. And I still cherish those moments, and I still laugh when I recollect all those memories. It was the funniest experience during my institute. Regarding friendship, I would like to say friendship is a very important part of our lives. It's a family that we choose. I still remember just before joining RLLI, I had friends just limited within my own district. But after being a part of RLLI, it helped me expanding my friendship connects beyond my district boundaries. Now I have line friends from as far as Patna, Bhubaneswar, Durgapur, Jamshedpur. I never had dreamt in my life that one day I will have so close friends and associates, even from these far places and towns. And it only happened with those 3 days of stay at RLLI. That togetherness, that caring, sharing, learning, spending valuable time, playing and eating together, that brought each one of us so close to each other as a family. Even now, we are in different cities, but we are still connected through Facebook, WhatsApp, and everyone is just a phone call away. Some of them have even business friends, as we have similar business lines, and we started business dealings, and they have become our business friends. While some of them have turned into family friends, so close that we can look upon them in our happy and difficult times. RLLI has really given us an extended family of friends, and it's really, really great feeling inside. Thank you.
Thank you, Rishabh. I am happy to note that each one of you is still cherishing the moment you enjoyed in RLLI. Thank you very much. One last response I want from each one of you for being RLLI online. I repeat, your spontaneous response on being future RLLI online. Amit Sarma, I start with your response.
Online meetings now is a part of the life, and we have to adjust it. I am sure it will be amazing as it is a virtual and perpetual both.
Amit Banerjee.
Online RLLI, I think, is not so interesting because there is no contact, eye contact, there is no body contact, and so on. So it is very interesting in RLLI. We enjoying ourselves in one field, in one room, and it is very enjoying. But through the internet connection or anything, we can do this thing, but it is not so enjoying, sir.
So you need personal interactions. Garg Saab.
Yes.
The same here. I endorse what Amit Banerjee has said. That this is the need of the hour online, and we can go through it as we cannot socialize immediately, and we have to do it. We can upgrade and upskill and experience our leadership, but that cannot be the continued process because we cannot have the personal acquaintances and personal touches. Now what we have gained each other, and you must have seen that each one of us gained 60 odd members, and that will never get online. So I feel personal interactive session, personal touch is must. So as soon as this pandemic is over, we must have the same RLLI what we used to have.
Okay, Bishop, your views, your response.
Yeah, I endorse the views of other speakers also. RLLI has to be, the online RLLI will be a very formal one. If we want to have a very interactive RLLI, where the informal things will also be implemented, I think that would be a physical RLLI on a spot, just like we are doing in Gopalpur. That will be more beneficial, and we can make more friends, we can interact with the faculties. So the online RLLI will be a very formal one, and it will just be a session on your laptop or the mobile. It won't be that connective, the connective we get when we are right on the spot. Thank you.
Okay, great.